Hi everybody, in this video I'll be going over the basics of Lesson 81, which focuses on international formatting of documents. Specifically, Lesson 81 is going to focus on Canadian business documents. The first thing that we're going to do is to adjust our paper size. So up on your Layout tab in your Page Setup group, you'll click your Size button, and then make sure that you have A4 selected. And so, as you have learned from the reading, most foreign countries do use A4 sized paper, which is slightly shorter. So instead of 8.5 inches across, it's 8.25 inches, but it's also slightly longer. So instead of 11 inches long, for the A4 paper, it is 11.75 inches. Also for assignment 81-77, this is going to be in modified block style. So remember, at the beginning of your document, after changing the paper size, we need to insert that left tab stop. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to my paragraph dialog box launcher. I'll then click my tabs button. My tab stop position is going to be 3.25. I'll click set and then OK. Because this is still modified block letter, the only difference that we're doing here is the format of the date and the inside address. But because this is a letter, we always start again with 5 enters from the top. And remember, this is a modified block style letter, so I press tab one time. With foreign addresses, or foreign dates rather, we start with the day first, so 22, June, and then the year. Notice that there's no comma. After you type the date line, you'll press enter 4 times, just like with a regular letter. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you'll start typing the inside address. And I'm going to turn off my paragraph mark so it's a bit easier to see here. Notice that the country name is on its own line. Also, after the country name, I'm pressing enter 2 times before I type in our salutation. And so here I have the finished document. Notice that I did remove the hyperlink from the www.cancom.com. And so when you're typing that, it might have looked like this. All you need to do is to right click and then select remove hyperlink. And I'm also just going to get rid of that extra space here. Again, because this is a modified block letter, I also tabbed over my complementary closing as well as the writer's identification. In this case, we're pretending that the person with the initials JO wrote this, so we're not typing our own reference initials. We're going to use the JO that's listed in the e-text for 81-77. Directly below that is the copy notation, and then the postscript is 2 enters below that copy notation. And so this is what your document should be formatted to look like.